always, and give us your wisdom so we could be as good as we are. This we ask in Jesus' name we pray, amen. So good afternoon everyone. Once again, good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon po,
afternoon po,
sir.
sir.
Okay, just a few reminders. I would like to ask if you were, gi-inform nyo ba yung parents nyo na daily na tayo sa mathematics? Na-inform nyo ba?
Yes po.
Kung wala po, please type in the chat box. Ano po sabi nila? Mayroon sa nag-react ba sila na hala hindi pwede, ganun?
Okay kayo, sir.
Okay. Kasi there was a report in our principal na sinumbong daw tayo due to the fact that we are having a online class for daily basis, which is not allowed. So again, this is ang mathematics natin online siya 4 days per week dahil nga po under tayo ng research. And nakapagpaalam po ako sa division office and pumayag naman sila. So sa pakisabi na lang po, kung help niyo na lang ako na sabihin sa parents na kung ayaw talaga nila, ay pakisabi, pakipaalam ng maayos na 4 days talaga tayo. Tapos kung ayaw naman talaga nila na magsali kayo sa 4 days na class kasi gusto man nila ng 1 hour lang, so pwede naman kayo hindi mag-join ng Monday, ng Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So every Wednesday lang tayo magklase kung pwede naman sa inyo. Pero ako, magklase talaga ako Monday to Friday or Tuesday to Friday. Pwede kayong hindi mag-join sa 3 hours na yon, depende sa inyo. Tapos, at the same time, ang pinagtatahan ko lang, kaya ganit natin maglaro ng cellphone or manood ng YouTube sa half day or whole day, mag-Facebook lang. Pero yung 1 oras na klase, hindi kaya. Di ba? Mag-gets nyo na ako siguro, no? Ano pa yung klase na 1 hour, hindi i-allowed ng parent nyo, pero yung paglalaro nyo sa bahay ng ML, paglalaro nyo ng Roblox, paglalaro nyo ng kung ano-ano dyan, payagan kayo. Pero yung 1 hour na klase, hindi payagan. So, well, anyway, it's not your problem anymore. So, just help me na lang po na magpaalam ng maayos na 4 hours po tayo sa ating klase every week for the whole second reading. Again, kung kailangan nyo talaga mag-charge ng inyong cellphone, you may end naman the Google Meet, tapos balik lang kayo pag na-charge na siya or i-play nyo lang yung recorded video. So, sino na po naka-install sa inyo ng Quizlet? Anyone? On the chat box, please. Quizlet. Sino na po naka-install? Okay, Goodness, we have one. Isa lang. Brian, we have the second. Okay. Third, fourth, Art Louis, John Bert. Okay, yung wala pa po naka-install, mag-install na kayo. So kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-install, install na kayo ngayon, tapos you may also click the link that I'll be sending. But before that one, allow me to use extra more minutes kasi nag-loading talaga ang aking internet since this morning. So, we are on Math 7. So to begin with, let us start by getting your notebook and copy our module title and our lesson title for this day. So today, we will be talking about the translating English phrases and sentences to mathematical phrases and sentences. In other words, gagamitin natin ang English phrase para makabuo ng isang mathematical phrase. Or, on the other hand, pwede ring mathematical phrase, i-translate naman natin sa English. So our first game is the learner will answer what I know during a live quiz in a Quizlet. So, pagkakaroon po tayo ng live quiz in a Quizlet, so paano po yan gagawin? So, magsisend po ako ng link for a while. Magsisend po ako ng link, saglit lang ha. You are 7 Catiter. Wait for a while ha. Okay, I would like you to open this link so that you could be added on our class. Okay, please open the link on the chat box please para ma-add kayo sa ating klase. So meron na pong tatlo, apat, lima, apat na members. Again, pakiclick lang po ng link na nasa chat box para ma-add kayo.
Sir, i-send
Yes
ulit ang link, sir. Please lang, sir.
po.
Yung link po, sir, ipasa ulit.
Ayan na po. Tapos, pag nakapasok na kayo, sino na ba ang nakapasok? Marami na po ang nakapasok. We have Bilangdal, Fiel, Janbert, Kaiser. Meron na pong 5. Sebastian, Brian. So, add more. Pasok pa na po. Pasok. Okay, sino po ang hindi nakakapasok? Please type in the chat box para alam ko po.
Sir, ano po daw sa messenger ang link.
Sa messenger, sige po. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. May 7 na po na members na nakapasok.
Ano pong pipindutin po dito po, sir?
Anong lumabas ba?
May sign up, log in, at may ano po din po, sir. Mat 7 week 3 day 1, what I know. Mat 7
Ayun po.
week 3.
Okay. I-click na po ang Math 7 Week 3, Day 1, What I Know. Yung What I Know pong i-click. Pag na-click nyo po, punta kayo sa... Saglit lang ha. Kalimutan ko anong pangalan nun. Sa Quiz Live. Ay, nawala. Itong test pala, itong test. Okay, pag natapos nyo na, ulitin ko ha. Punta kayo sa Math 7 What I Know, tapos i-click nyo ang test. Tapos, sagutan na po siya. Nakuha?
Opo, sir. Salamat po, sir.
Okay po. Again, that is a pre-test, meaning okay lang po na mali and don't pressure yourself. In that time, you are given at most 10 minutes. So 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, your time starts now. If you have problem, just go on the chat box para makita ko po. The link is like this. Nasa GC po, ay nasa chat box din po. So, click lang yung quizlet.com. Pag na-click yan siya, automatic mag-appear yung join na word. So, i-click mo yung join. Tapos, click Math 7 what I know, then test. Math 7 what I know, then test. Mary Rose, ano kaya apelyido mo? Bagong student ka, Mary Rose? Okay, Sauro, hindi po talaga. Paano po mag-answer? Lucky, if you na-click mo na yung link, yung quizlet.com join, click mo yung join, tapos ng join, click mo yung Math 7 What I Know, then click mo yung test. Automatic po na magte-test ka na. Just click the answer. Tapos, Jerish, sige lang, you may try it later. Kung hindi talaga pwede, pwede mo siyang i-try later until na makapasok ka. Siguro dahil nga sa signal, so sa mga late po dumating, kindly click the quizlet.com/join, then click join. If you're done, you type done on the chat box. So 4 minutes. Type done if you're done. Again, if there are problems, please type on the chat box. Okay, there are students who were wrongly click the item. For example, in Carl, si Faye po, or si Heidi, ang naklik niya po match instead of test. Again, test po dapat ang i-click. Marami po sa inyo ang nag-click ng match na word. It's not match, but a test po ang i-click. Marami po kasi yan, learn, flashcards, write, spell, test, match. Test po ang i-click. Well, anyway, the same question lang man yan sila. Pero, ang, matching type man God is isang options lang. Well, anyway, it's just the same. So we have last 4 minutes. If you're done, you type done on the chat box and tell me your scores. Keith, what is your score? Okay, very good. So we have 3 minutes left. That's 20 over 20. %33 for Brian. That's, I think, basta 33% nasa 6 points. 20%, so that's 4 points, I think. 27, so that's 6 points. Okay, last 2 minutes. So, ibig sabihin po ng percentage na yan pa lang po yung alam ninyo. So, in other words, if you feel natin, kunyari 20%, if you feel natin yung the rest na 80%, para later on, masagutan nyo siya ng 100%. So, I hope you got it right from this Math 7 pre-test that we have in our class. So, last 1 minute, then we will proceed with our lessons and discussions. Okay, last 1 minute pa. Siguro tapos na lahat. Okay, proceed na tayo sa ating game number 2. For game number 2, you are going to tally your own score. So take note of your scores. Huwag po kalimutan. Kapag nakatama kayo, itali agad sa notebook and write PT number 5 for that. So 2 points po kapag tama kayo, 1 point naman kapag correct. And we will be using again, classifying activity, gravity, game by Quizlet Live pa rin. So in other words, meron pong mahuhulog na objects. I-click-click nyo lang po siya kung, for example, punta kayo sa inyong Quizlet. So, balikan nyo yung Quizlet kanina na link. Yung isan ko sa page. Tapos, i-click nyo yung What's New. So, What's New? Hala. You click the word match sa What's New. Okay, nakuha ba? Di ba may dalawa yung options kanina? What's, ano yun? What is it ba yun? I know what I know. Tapos ngayon, what's new na naman. Click nyo ang match. Then, start game. So, nakikita nyo man siguro na ang gagawin nyo lang is you'll just identify if it is plus, minus, times, or divide. The slash is divide. So just type on the chat box if you have problems. So example, ganito po ang lalabas sa inyong screen. May plus, minus. Ikuan nyo lang siya. I-partner nyo lang sila kung tama ba. Okay, then you tell me your scores agad. Again, 2 points po ang correct. 1 point po ang mali. So that is 5 minutes only. Sir, paano malaman ang score? For example, pag click nyo, automatic na tama, that's 2 points. So kapag na tama nyo po siya nalagay, yellow po ang color, kapag red naman, mali po. So last 4 minutes.
Saan niya po mag-answer po, sir?
Balikan mo yung link kanina, i-click mo yun ulit. Tapos, yung what's new. Diba dalawa yon, what I know at saka what's new. What's new na naman yan. Then click mo match.
Salamat po, sir.
Opo. Okay, if you're done, you tell me your scores. Tapos, send nyo sa ating page para for recording. Dito sa ating GC, isend nyo lang para malaman ko, then sa ating page para sa recording. And write the word PT number 5 as our code. Example, PT. Last 2 minutes. So may tapos na po. Last 1 minute.
Sir, saan nga po yun makita yung letter? Ay, yung number pala. Ay, score.
Score. Ay, wala mag-itali. Patay ka. Sige lang. Wait lang ha. Check ko muna dito ha kung makita ko ang score. Aha. Hindi makita ang score ba? Ano kaya ito? Hindi nyo ba natali?
Wala,
Sige lang.
sir.
Sige lang, kung wala nyo natali next time, itali nyo ha, kasi meron man tayong, hindi kasi makita dito. Na talaga nakalagay yung scores. Okay, well anyway, so that is our lesson for this day. It talks about plus, minus, times, and divide. Pero, we are going to use English phrases and mathematical phrases into that. So, I would like you to copy this statement. So, for addition, usually in English, it is read as addition plus increased by added to the sum of and more than. So, when you say more than, usually the symbol is like this. So more than is like that. Pero bakit ang symbol niya ngayon is plus? Because sometimes more than is used as plus. So take note of that. Next, the sum of. The sum of naman is ginagamit para malaman kung ano yung answer sa addition. For example, what is the sum of 3 and 5? Ibig sabihin, tinatanong sa inyo kung ano ang sagot kapag i-add mo si 3 at saka si 5. Okay, please copy. Okay, may I proceed? Okay, I think it's ready. So next, subtraction, that is minus. And it is called in English subtraction, sometimes called minus or decreased by, subtracted from, less than, and diminished by. So diminished, ibig sabihin nakaltasan, nabawasan. Less than naman, mas kaunti. Subtracted from, binawasan mula. Decreased by, binawasan din ang minus, nabawasan din ang subtraction naman, kinaltas or nabawasan. So that is minus. Okay, next. Kung merong plus at saka minus, meron namang times. And that is the multiplication. So the symbol is like this. X po, ganyan. That is times. Sometimes they use the word, they use the symbol parentheses. Others, bracket. Others naman, braces. So it means times. Next, ganito po. Isang malaking point na nasa gitna. Now, for example, 2 times 3. This is times. Or 2 times 3. Pero pag ganito po ang sinulat nyo, that is 2.3 or decimal. You see the difference? Kapag nasa baba po, point po ang ibig sabihin. And this is point. Pag nasa gitna naman po ang dot, that is times. Okay? Sometimes it is called times, multiplied by, and product of. When you are asked to do what is the product of 1 and 1, meaning you are going to multiply 1 times 1. Product is the answer in multiplication. Okay, copy? Okay, kung merong times, the next one is the last, which is divide. Kung divide naman po, in English, it is called division, divided by the ratio of and quotient of. And pwede nyo pong idagdag dyan ang word na fraction. Sometimes division is also called fraction. Example po ng division. So, 2/3. Ibig sabihin 2 divided by 3 or 2 divided by 3. Pwede din pong 2 over 3. And they are just the same. We are going to divide it by 3. And ratio is also called 2:3. Yan po, ratio po tawag niyan. And ratio is a division. 2:3 is also divide. Okay, copy? Okay, let's proceed. The next one is equals. In mathematics po, sa higher mathematics, operation is not just addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Kapag pumunta na po kayo ng college, meron na po tayong circle plus, circle minus, circle times, at saka circle divide. Sa ginagamit niyan siya sa abstract algebra or abstract mathematics, which is the highest form of mathematics. So, mathematical symbol equals. Equals meaning they are the same. Equals is equal to and the same as. It is the same as. Ganun po. Yun po yung mga terms na ginagamit sa equals. Equals po, ganito po ang symbol ng equals, dalawang line. Ito naman po ang tawag nito, similar. Similar is rounded off. Ibig sabihin ng rounded off, for example, the answer is 2.37, ginawa niyang 2.4, i-round off niya. So that is what you call similar. And ang equals naman po, exactly talaga siya. For example, 2 equals 2. Hindi mo na siya pwede i-round off. Ginagamit po ang similar pag mag-round off ka. Ang equals naman, ginagamit po siya kapag hindi ka na mag-round off. And copy. Kapag ang isang number, nilagyan mo ng, isang symbol nilagyan mo ng slash, tulad nito, pag ang isang number nilagyan mo ng slash like this is equals, right? Nilagyan mo siya ng slash, ano tawag niyan? Anyone? Wala idea? So ang tawag po niyan is not equal to. So lahat po ng symbol na nilalagyan ng slash, magiging not na po yan siya. Tulad nito, not a set, ganyan po. Not similar, ganyan po. So yan po yung mga example. Okay, done. Not equal to, ibig sabihin yan. Okay, next. Mathematical phrases, the sum of A and 3. How are we going to, please copy this one as an example. So for number 1, isusulat ko dito yung mga sagot. And you copy the question on the right side. So number 1, the sum of A and 3. Ano po ibig sabihin ng the sum of A and 3? Before that one, maybe you would copy for 1 minute. Kopyahin niyo muna 1 to 8, tapos sasagutan natin. Sige, go. Kapihin nyo muna, then i-explain ko paano sagutan. Copy lang muna ha. Do not answer yet. Okay, let's start with number 1. The sum of A and 3. The word sum is addition, right? So, ano daw yung i-add natin? Yung A at saka 3. So, A plus 3. Ganun lang po siya. The sum of A and 3. Add lang natin yung A and 3. Next, number 2. 8 more than P. Take note, kapag gumagamit tayo ng word na more than, less than, greater than, pabaliktad po natin siya pagsulat. Reverse po natin siya pagsulat. Nakuha? Reverse po natin siya isulat. So what is that reverse all about? For example, 8 more than P. Reverse tayo magsulat, dito tayo mag-start. 8 more than P. Ganun po. Is that clear? If you're using the word more than, less than, greater than, reverse po ang pagkasulat. Next, number 3. Number 3 naman po, the square of R. Square daw ng R. What do you think is the operation kapag square ang R? Is it add, subtract, multiply, or divide?
Multiply.
Multi multiplies.
Yes, that is multiply. So we have R, the square of R, the square of R squared. So in other words, magiging R times R yan siya. Okay, next, number 4, 6 subtracted from B. 6 subtracted from B. Ganun po. Okay, next, number 5. Anyone? 5 less than Y. Less than Y is reverse. Sige daw. Type on the chat box. 4 less than Y. Or less than Y. Less than po ang word na ginamit. So you must be using minus. If you must be using minus. 4 less than Y. Take note, kapag word na more than, less than, greater than, reverse po pagsulat. Pabaliktad. 4 less than Y, we have Kiel, Kip, Mary, Rose. Tingnan natin kung tama yung sagot nila. Okay. That is 4 less than Y. 4, pabaliktad po magsulat, less than Y. Okay, that is the answer. Y minus 4 in other word. Okay, may iba naman po, ang sagot nila is capital Y minus 4. And kapag ganyan po ang case, ito lang po ang tama, ito po mali. Bakit po mali yung capital letter? Kasi sa given po, hindi po capital letter ang ginamit, kundi small letter. So, is that clear? Okay, next. Number 6. Number 6 naman is 4 less Y. 4 less Y. Okay, ganito naman pagsulat sa number 6, 4 less Y, kasi hindi naman siya gumamit ng word na less than. Less Y lang yung ginamit niya. Okay, next, the product of 5 and C. Number 7, the product is multiply. Anong i-multiply natin? Si 5 at saka si C. Now, take note, kapag i-combine po si number at saka si letter, magiging isa na lang yan sila. Mawawala na yung times na symbol. Magiging 5C na siya. Yan, magiging invisible na siya. Okay, next, number 8. Number 8 is the quotient of M and 8. M, quotient is divide, right? M over 8. Or pwede yung gamitin na M divided by 8 or M over 8. They are just the same. So either of the three is correct. So please copy the answer for numbers 1 to 8. And be ready for our quiz to be written on your notebook. Name it as quiz number 3. So, quiz number 3 tayo. Okay. The sum of a number, take note of this. Sabi po dito, the sum of a number and 3. So, ibig sabihin po ng a number, lahat po ng ganito, a number, ibig sabihin po niyan is hindi natin alam. A number is we don't know. And if it is a number, therefore, we will be using x as the variable. Okay, take note ha, the sum of a number. A number, do we know that number? You mentioned ba? Wala po. The number what? Wala po sinabi. So we can use the symbol x in that case. So magiging x na yung a number dyan. Or a certain number, magiging x na siya or y or z. Depende sa inyo. Depende sa options pala. Tapos, tingnan niyo po ang given, 1 to 14. Tapos ang letters po, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 only. So meron pong letters dyan na A to U na magre-repeat po. Take note, meron pong letters dyan na magre-repeat ang sagot. Okay, your time starts now for 15 minutes answering 1 to 14 and name it as quiz number 3. Time starts now. Okay, may natapos na po si Keith and Jerish. Sa mga hindi po natatapos, you have 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Sige lang, i-double check niyo muna, baka mali po. So meron na pong tatlong natatapos. Yung hindi pa po natatapos, you have 15 minutes, then we will check. Yes po, okay lang po na letters ang sagot ninyo. You type done if you're done ha, so that we could check it earlier. Yes po. Ma'am. Tanaw lang sa room. Gikan ka dito, ma'am. Chat na ako siya, ma'am, ha? Ruiz, ma'am na Ruiz. Mm. Isa, tapos next pa. Ada lang ma'am ha, ako sa chat. Kung sa apelyido, ma'am? Dala ma'am ha, ako pang send. Okay, class, you have 4 minutes left in answering the items. So I think everyone is done. For still writing, you type me on the chat box, please, so that I will know. Ma'am, na daw siya appointment sa GSIS karon, ma'am ba? Dagan daw kayo tao dito. Di siya kahawa. Nakalak magud na, ma'am. Tapos dili magud na allowed na mag-adto tanan teachers diri. Katong schedule lang nag-iingon sa inyo, mura gid mo adtong teachers diri, ma'am. So possible nga dili siya kadto karon. Ha? Naay? Na, si Ma'am Gamolo. Oh. Pwede man ka mga na lang sa iyag module, ma'am. Tapos yun na lang na iilis lang sa diri nga section. Pareha lang na, ma'am. Pareha lang. Room 3 siya, ma'am. Pababa, ma'am. Pababa. Dito sa tumoy. At baliktad ka, ma'am. Pikas. Pikas, agi. Dili, dili. Pikas. Padulong dito. Dito diretso. Okay, I think everyone is done. So let us check. So, meron pa bang hindi natatapos? Mag-check na po tayo. Okay, I think wala na. So, number 1, letter. Oops. Nawawala ang aking answer key. Number 1, that's letter A. Number 2, that's letter L, as in Lazada. Number 3, L, as in Lazada. Number 4, mango, as in M. Number 5, eagle, as in letter E, or egg. Number 6, nitrogen, as in N. 7, apple, as in apple, A. 8, R, as in root, root. Number 9, indigo, as in I. Number 10, E, as in egg. Number 11, Q, as in quarter. Number 12, U, as in under. U, as in under. Number 13, apple, as in A. Number 14, L, as in Lazada. So we have 1 apple, 2 L, 3 L, 4 M, 5 E, 6 N, 7 A, 8R, 9I, 10E, 11Q, 12U, 13A, 14L. The total score is 14 over 14 and name it as Q number 3. Again, Q number 3, you send it in our chat box at our page at www.facebook.com/humang Humang 2021. Okay, that ends our lesson. I hope you enjoy our class today. So goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Bye po, sir.
Okay, send po sa page ha ang inyong score.
Bye po, sir.
Opo.
Dako.